Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic: foods that can help improve nerve pain, and those you should avoid if you have neuropathic pain. If you've ever experienced nerve pain, you know how debilitating it can be. The burning, tingling, and sharp pains can make daily activities incredibly challenging. But did you know that what you eat can have a significant impact on your nerve health? In this video, we'll explore 7 foods that can help reduce nerve pain and improve your overall well-being. We'll also highlight 5 foods that you should steer clear of if you suffer from neuropathic pain. Our goal is to provide you with practical, actionable advice that you can incorporate into your daily routine to help manage your symptoms better. So, grab a notepad and get ready to take some notes. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how your diet can impact your nerve health and what changes you can make to start feeling better. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown in numerous studies to help reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to nerve pain. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you can potentially reduce the severity and frequency of your nerve pain episodes. You can add turmeric to your meals in various ways. Sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, mix it into soups, or even make a soothing turmeric tea. Just remember that curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body on its own. Pairing it with black pepper can enhance its absorption significantly, allowing you to reap the maximum benefits. Next on our list is salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is a fantastic food for reducing inflammation and supporting nerve health. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to protect against nerve damage and promote nerve repair. Eating salmon regularly can help reduce the pain and discomfort associated with neuropathy. Salmon is also a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. Grill it, bake it, or add it to a salad for a delicious and nutritious meal. If you're not a fan of salmon, other fatty fish like mackerel, sardines, and trout are also excellent sources of omega-3s. Spinach is another powerhouse food that can help alleviate nerve pain. This leafy green is high in antioxidants and has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants help protect your nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals, while the anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce the pain and swelling associated with neuropathy. You can enjoy spinach in a variety of ways. Add it to your smoothies for a nutrient boost, toss it into salads, or saute it with garlic and olive oil for a tasty side dish. The key is to include it regularly in your diet to consistently reap its benefits. Packed with healthy fats and essential vitamins, avocados are a fantastic food for supporting nerve function and reducing pain. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce inflammation and support overall cell function. They also contain vitamins E and B, which are crucial for nerve health and can help reduce the symptoms of neuropathy. Incorporating avocados into your diet is easy and delicious. Spread avocado on toast, add it to salads, or blend it into smoothies. You can even make a creamy avocado dressing to drizzle over your favorite dishes. The versatility of avocados makes it simple to include them in your daily meals. Blueberries are small but mighty when it comes to reducing nerve pain. These berries are packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation and protect nerve cells from damage. Consuming blueberries regularly can help reduce the pain and discomfort associated with neuropathy. You can enjoy blueberries in various ways. Add them to your morning cereal or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or simply snack on them throughout the day. The sweet and tangy flavor of blueberries makes them a delightful addition to your diet. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids and can help reduce nerve pain. These healthy fats are essential for reducing inflammation and supporting overall nerve health. Nuts also provide a good source of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties that can protect your nerves from damage. Incorporating nuts into your diet is easy. Snack on a handful of nuts, add them to your salads, or mix them into your oatmeal. You can also use nut butters as a spread or in smoothies. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as nuts are calorie dense. Dark chocolate might sound like an indulgence, but it can actually help with nerve pain. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate the pain associated with neuropathy. When choosing dark chocolate, opt for varieties with at least 70% cocoa to ensure you're getting the most benefits. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as a treat, or add it to your baking recipes for a healthier twist. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation. Now, let's talk about foods to avoid. High sugar intake can lead to inflammation and worsen nerve pain. Consuming too much sugar can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, which can damage your nerves over time and exacerbate the symptoms of neuropathy. To reduce your sugar intake, avoid sugary drinks, candies, and desserts. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. Reading food labels can also help you identify hidden sugars in processed foods. Alcohol can be particularly harmful for those with neuropathic pain. Excessive alcohol consumption can damage nerves and worsen the symptoms of neuropathy. It can also lead to nutritional deficiencies that can further harm nerve health. If you have neuropathic pain, it's best to limit your alcohol intake or avoid it altogether. Instead, focus on staying hydrated with water, herbal teas, and other non-alcoholic beverages. Your nerves will thank you for it. Processed foods are often loaded with unhealthy fats, additives, and preservatives that can increase inflammation and worsen nerve pain. These foods can also be high in sodium, sugar, and unhealthy trans fats, all of which can negatively impact your overall health. To reduce your intake of processed foods, focus on eating whole, natural foods. Prepare meals at home using fresh ingredients, and avoid prepackaged snacks and meals. Your body and your nerves will benefit from a cleaner, more nutritious diet. For some people, gluten can cause inflammation and worsen nerve pain. If you suspect that gluten may be contributing to your neuropathy symptoms, it might be worth trying a gluten-free diet to see if your symptoms improve. There are many gluten-free alternatives available, including gluten-free grains like quinoa, rice, and buckwheat. Be sure to read labels carefully and choose products that are certified gluten-free to avoid cross-contamination. Artificial sweeteners can be a hidden culprit in worsening nerve pain. Some studies suggest that these sweeteners can trigger inflammation and exacerbate neuropathic pain in some individuals. Common artificial sweeteners to watch out for include aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin. To avoid artificial sweeteners, read labels carefully and choose natural sweeteners or products without added sweetness. Stevia and monk fruit are great natural alternatives that can provide sweetness without the negative effects on your nerves. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. See you next time. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into how your diet can impact your nerve health. Remember, small changes in your eating habits can make a big difference in managing nerve pain and improving your overall quality of life. Feel free to share this video with anyone you think might benefit from this information. Your support helps us create more content to help you live a healthier, happier life. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you and are here to help. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.